Hi everyone, it's Edventuresome again and welcome to another video. We're in Baler and sobrang nakakatuwa na we're able to travel. Pag nagta-travel ka going farther to where you are, mafe-feel mo yung parang feeling na slowly we're getting back to normal. Finally, nakabalik tayo dito. It's my 4th time and meron pa rin akong places na mga hindi napuntahan. Pero the main reason why we're here is we would like to surf. Supposedly we're going to La Union but hindi kami umabot sa requirements, so napunta kami dito sa Baler. Madali lang kunin yung requirements but they are very strict in implementing their process. I'll share that information in a while, but today ikutin muna natin yung Baler. Tara! Baler is a 5 to 6 hours drive from the metro, but since we left late on a Friday afternoon, it took us 7 hours drive to get to Baler.
Let's take 1, AH-26 Maharlika Highway San Miguel.
Be extra cautious with time as the border closes at 10 p.m. Once closed, you'll have no other choice but to wait until 5 p.m. the next day. Secure approved S-Pass through s-pass.ph. Valid ID, DOT accredited accommodation, and Vax Certs are all that you need to enter Baler. Good morning! Let's check the waves kung kaya ba natin mag-surf today, pero parang yung decision na yun kung kaya or hindi is not an option. Parang kakayanin talaga natin kasi medyo malayo-layo lang yung drive natin going here. So this is the wave condition. Malaki nga. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko yung waves na yon, pero there's only one way to find out. Tara! Tara, 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 tara!
Called out one day just to hear a sound. Someone still around.
Ready na kami mag-surf. Yung energy ko tumataas na. Itong dalawa, ano pa eh. Nagsiset pa lang ng mood. Kasi alam nila mawa-washing machine kami.
True!
Hindi mabuti, malinis yung mga damit namin pag uwi. Malalaban sa bula. Wish. Stop na. Stop na. Sobrang cute ng place na nakuha namin kasi meron siyang Love Island vibes. So, kanya-kanyang chill muna kami. There's Mara and Jin. Kanya-kanyang ganap.
Alay na yan. Pagpag nyo si Beats. Pagpag nyo si Beats. Uy, napasas. Ala.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Birthday natin! Birthday natin!
So right now, nandito kami sa Baler. So wala kami magawa sa Manila. So may pool yung accom namin. And then infinity pool. So ito yung view. Ganda, di ba? Kakatapos lang namin mag-surf. Pero nakakapagod. So mga twice lang siguro ako naka-ride. Kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero nakakapagod. So wala akong footage kasi hindi waterproof yung po. may humila lang pa ako. O ano, karma. So far, wala masyadong tao dito sa Baler. So, medyo enjoy siya. Sobrang chill lang. Unlike siguro mga tao ngayon nasa Boracay, Siargao, La Union. Dapat sa La Union kami pupunta pero hindi namin na-process yung requirements agad. So, dito na lang kami nagpunta. So far, enjoy naman. So, cute.